The 2018 Toyota Prius doesn't organize execution. Yesterday's news: a 2018 Toyota Prius is neither quick nor enjoyable to drive. Execution was never the point, at any rate. Half and half is the name, productivity is the amusement. Beginning from a normal score of 5, the Prius increases 1 on an agreeable ride. However, loses 1 for a pokey motor, another for a pokey transmission, and another for a guiding vibe like a limp handshake. It gets a 3 out of 10. We're not bearish. In general bundle, truly. The new Prius is lower, longer, and more extensive than the old model, which helps outward vision and to bring down the focal point of gravity for a more honed ride. The Prius is as yet fueled by a 1.8-liter inline-4 that makes 95 strength and 53 kW. Electric engine for a consolidated yield of 121 horsepower. That is combined to a constantly factor transmission that organizes effectiveness above fun, which bodes well given the application. Out of the blue, 2 distinctive battery packs are offered in the Prius. The Prius 2 Eco utilizes a 1.2 kWh nickel metal hydride pack that has been utilized as a part of numerous ages of the Prius. Each and every other Prius utilizes a 0.75 kWh lithium particle pack that highlights a lighter, more minimal unit that successfully utilizes a greater amount of its charge. The Prius is based on Toyota's most up-to-date stage and advantages from a more